Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So for today's video, we got IPSY Glam Bag for October, which is pretty exciting because they usually do like Halloween themes. So I really want to see what this theme is for this month. If you guys haven't heard of IPSY, pretty sure you have, but just to get your mind rolling a little bit with the memory, IPSY is a monthly subscription with like a bunch of beauty products, anything from like skincare, hair care, makeup, body care. And it does come with 5 items for $13.99 plus shipping and handling, so it does come out to like $15 a month. It is on the cheaper side compared to most subscription boxes or bags or whatever this is, but I did get this when I was like $7 a month. I remember that back in like what was it, 14, 15, 16 maybe? Dang, that was like the height of like beauty gurus, like 2016, 2018, bam, up there. Wow, that's crazy. That seems like forever ago, but it was like what, 5-6 years ago. I have had IPSY for a long time. I discontinued it, I'm back on it, so I do want to see what we got for this month. If you guys do like makeup tutorials, clothing hauls, unboxings, I have a lot of unboxings on this channel. I do have clothing hauls coming soon. I also have something interesting brewing that I'm thinking of doing for this channel to change it up a little bit. It's in my head, but it's coming. In the meantime, I do have a couple unboxings that I do want to unbox. So without further ado, let's see what I got for... Oh, I didn't even tell you that I said if you do like this, this, and this, please subscribe if you guys do like my energy, my vibes. Yeah, just subscribe. It would really help me out. Please like the video. It really does help out my channel out so much more than you know. And click that little notification bell so you guys can be notified of all future uploads. And now, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so IPSY for October. That's how you say it in Spanish, is Octubre. You guys, it's actually like, it's really cute. And it comes with a brush on the outside. Leather, like legit. I'm gonna put my makeup in here because I have like a little makeup bag like this for work, and I go in the bathroom. I go on my breaks to the bathroom and do my makeup. So I usually just go with like to work with just like foundation, contour, blush, powder. That's it. And then at work, I go to the bathroom and I do like eyebrows, mascara, eyeshadow, lipstick, because girl, I cannot get to work at 8 in the morning for the life of me. I can't wake up. I'm not a morning person, and the more that I work as a morning person, I realize that more and more. Like right now it's gonna be 10. It's almost 10 p.m. and I am alive. I have so much energy. I did drink Coke for dinner as well, so that might help with it, but I have literally, my mind is awake during like 8 p.m. to 1-2 in the morning. That is when my mind is like, I need to get stuff done. During the day, early in the morning, I want to be asleep. Midday, I want to relax, chill, watch some TV, have breakfast at like noon. Have breakfast, you know, and then like 1, 2, 3 p.m. get ready for the day. 4, 5, you know, go walk the dog. A little bit of dinner if I need to eat something, and then 8 p.m. I'm like, let's go. Let's freaking go. That's just how I am. Enough about me, let's get into this bag. But do you guys see how freaking cute this bag is? Can you see the details? I know it's hard with the black, but it is like a spider web. I am deathly afraid of spiders. I have arachnophobia, but this is cute. This is cute. But it's like a little spider web, and then it has a little spider as the end, and then it's purple, my favorite color. It's purple. That's purple eyeliner that I did my eye base. I was like scratching it off because you know the tip when it gets really scratchy, so I put it. Okay. Like I said, I'm like deathly afraid of spiders, but like this is cute. I literally just killed one in the bathroom right now too, and it was white, and it was like the little butt was like this, and it was white, clear. It was gnarly. It was on the mirror. How does it get on the mirror? In October, man. I'm pretty sure it's a full moon day today too, but look at how cute. This is cute. And then this brush was the first thing that I got here. I wonder if there is an insert. Found it. Okay, so it's Halloween. That's cute. That's the theme for this month. It does tell me everything that I got, which I appreciate, because one month I didn't get anything, and I was like, it gave me like thanks for my sign, like to do my makeup for my sign. I was like, okay. It says 5 new products valued at $50 or more, which I mean, they're sample size, so I don't know if they're actually $50 or more. And then it says coming this November, our next celeb curated Glam Bag X drop is so fuego. Becky G. It's practically Billboard Latin Music Award worthy. Scan the code below to find out first, blah, 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 blah. Okay, anyways, I already know it's Becky G, and I kind of figured that it was going to be Becky G for the next month, which is the Glam Bag X, which is the big purple one that they take over. I haven't been filming my Glam Bag X's in a couple months, which sucks because I freaking love them. Last November's was the best one. It was a Huda Beauty takeover. I got purple. I am actually wearing their purple eyeshadow that I got for that box. They've just been getting so late to me in the month, and it's like, what's the point of me filming my Glam Bag X if I'm literally gonna bring it out like on the 30th of the month? Like it's just, so this is the first thing. It's a cute little brush. It's by YC Collection. It's pink on the end. It's like a matte black. It feels heavy. Like this is legit like heavy metal. See, with my ring, it's heavy metal. Glow blush glow brush for blush or for highlighter, which I think this is the perfect highlighting brush. You see right there for my highlighter. With ultra soft bristles, this brush is ideal for applying shadow evenly, flawlessly with 0 streaks or smudges. This is way too big for eyeshadow. Like look, like it's literally the size of my whole eyelid. So I would use it more for highlighter. I do have small eyes, small features. A lot of people have told me that I have small features, so keep that in mind. And this says, oh, this is a full size. This is $22. It feels $22. This is the Y02 brush. I was gonna say blush again. Brush. Really pretty. And then it's like the handle, the YC handle right there. It's silicone, so it's like kind of squishy. So you grab it right there for more precise, or you grab it at the end for it to be more fluffy. You know what? I love it when they throw this in because it's like this literally paid for the bag if I would have got it like $22, and this is 13 something, you know? Really enjoy this. Really do. Okay, next is this Velvet Commodity. It just says scan me. I think this is a perfume. I did get their paper perfume one time. I don't remember if I liked it. I don't think I liked it at first, and then I sprayed it again like a couple days later and I liked it. This is Scent Space Personal. I'm not even joking, that's what it says. Scent Space Personal. I don't like commodities. Like I feel like they're so expensive. Like a full size of this version, 100 mls, is $135. Like that's ridiculous. Not even like Versace is $135 full, like a whole 1 ounce, you know? Velvet deep notes of vanilla, rose, amber, and sheer musk. Reach your senses with a warm, welcoming hug. The dry down reveals an unexpectedly delight with smoky sigil for a breathable indulgence when it meets your skin. I like it. The people that write these cards, I always think they're so funny. So notes, okay, I do love vanilla and amber and musk. Those are like top 3 notes that I freaking love, and I always look for like in every single sense. I love musky scents. Floral and musky, yes. Fruity or musky are like my jam. So let's smell it. Oh, that was a lot. Wow, I inhaled that so hard. It is so smoky. Like, have you guys ever had an old fashioned in those really hipster bars, and then they smoke the old fashioned and then they cup it and then they open it up? You know, they basically get like a bunch of wood chips, blowtorch the wood chips so it becomes very smoky. They inject that with like a little hose and they put that smoke into the old fashioned, the whiskey, into the old fashioned, and then it gets super whiskey in the cup, and then they cup it, you know, with a lid with the cup so the smoke can stay. And then when they open it up and present it, you know, to the guest at the table, then there's like smoke everywhere. That's what this smells like. It literally smells like an old fashioned, so it smells like alcohol, whiskey alcohol. It does smell like vanilla. I do smell a little bourbon amber with a lot of smoke. I personally really like smoky, musky, amber, whiskey scents, but this is a little much. Like, maybe I just need to have it. Like, I really like smoky whiskey. That's just my jam. I really do like it. This is more masculine for me. Like, it's a little heavy, a little masculine. I think this would mix really well with a floral. Like maybe with the Flower Bomb by Victor and something. The Flower Bomb one. I think those two would mix really good together, and I think it would make an interesting scent. So full price $135. I don't know how much that is. That's 100 mls. Does it say here? 5. So this is $6.75. I just did the math. And if I'm wrong, please correct me. Okay, the next thing is, oh, this is, you know what? For upping the price on these little baggies, they're giving us like some decent brands and like full sizes and really good stuff. I didn't pick any of this. I forgot the dates to pick my selection, which surprises me because when I don't pick my items, I get better stuff. When I do pick my items, they're not as good. So I'm like, maybe if I miss it, I miss it, you know? I've been wanting to try this, and this is a decent size for face wash, okay? This will last me like 7 times maybe. Kale and green tea, superfoods, spinach vitamin superfood cleanser by Youth to the People. I love the packaging. It's like so eco-friendly, really cute. Love it. So I'm gonna put it back because it's glass. It's glass. That's a good scent. It's perfect timing because my face wash is going to run out. And I've heard really good things. Like a lot of people really rave about Youth to the People, this superfood cleanser. This vitamin-rich cleanser is made with leafy greens, including spinach, kale, alfalfa, and green tea, kind of like a smoothie for your skin, which help calm redness, remove toxins, even out your skin tone without stripping the skin of your moisture. MSRP full size is $36. So this sample is $4.05 if I did the math correctly. Yes, I did. I did the math correctly. This is a mascara. I'm telling you, this is a really good bag. And then next we got a lipstick. This mascara, ow. Sorry guys, I get arthritis like randomly and my hand just cramps like this and it hurts. Like I can't move it unless I physically like crack my knuckles. Does anyone know what that is other than arthritis? Please let me know because I've had this for years, like ever since I was in high school, and I don't know how to get rid of it. And in the cold months, I suffer so much. And I haven't really done anything different with like diet or anything, so I don't know. Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara by Ditto. Oh, this is nice. This is a plastic wand, which I like. It does look like it's a real feathery, you know, the regular bristles, but it's plastic. It's super thick. I like these. I love plastic wands because they lengthen your lashes so long. It does have that curve, so it's gonna go up and over, and I feel like it's gonna be very volumizing of how thick it is, how together it is, and then you can tell the formula is really stringy. I don't know, can you see? It's really stringy. It's very mousse-like. Love these. I hate liquidy mascaras. I don't think they're that good. I love the moussey, the stringy, the lengtheny. I freaking love that. This is Ditto Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara. Buildable doesn't even begin to describe the volumizing and lengthening mascara formula. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna try it out when I'm not wearing lashes. No matter how many coats you apply, you'll never see any clumpage. I don't know if that's true. I don't believe that. And you'll get a full and long lashes. Full size is $12. That's a good price. If this works, that's a good price. Oh, this is half. This is more than half. A full size is 6.5 grams. This is 4.2. So this is a legit like travel size, not even a sample. This is a travel size. So this is about $7. I don't see the $50 value. 20, 40, but maybe $40 value. I do see that. Jasmine Beauty lipstick. I think that's what it says. It's so tiny that I can barely read it. I hope it's a nude. I hope it's a nude. I hope it's a nude. Is it a nude, guys? Is it a nude? Tell me, is it a nude? Oh, it's a nude. Oh my god. Oh, it looks like my color. Oh, I love nudes. Nudes, pinks like this, browns, freaking love them. No bright pink, pale pink, rosy pink, more like a dead rose kind of pink. Oh, it's super creamy. It's almost the same color as my lipstick, but more pale pink, more satin. It's very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. This is in the color Stay Cozy. Lockdown color and luminosity with this high coverage lipstick in a rosy mauve. The satin finish stays smudge proof but does not dry out your lips. that's good because I like to wear all day long for lipstick. I think the one thing that I can never go out with is lipstick. Like lipstick has to be my favorite makeup. I was really into like eyeshadow. I'm into blush a little bit, but lipstick, I have a love for lipstick. I have so many different colors, shades, finishes, liquid, satin, matte, gloss. I'm obsessed. I think it just like elevates a look, makes you look younger, can make you look older, it just defines you. Like I just feel like it's so good. Full size is $20. This is a third of that. Third of 20. What's a third of 20? Can someone do math really fast? Because okay. It's about $6. Maybe there's like a $50 value here. Maybe, but yeah. Okay, so we got the lipstick, mascara, Youth to the People cleanser, really good brands. Come on. The more it lingers, I don't hate it. I don't love it. I like it. It's very smoky. If you do not like smoky, like you're literally inhaling ashes, you're not gonna like this. I do. I'm weird. I like it. The brush, I always say blush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. That was our glam bag. Really good products. Surprisingly pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys get the bag? Did you not? I really like this black. It looks sophisticated and it feels really good, and it's like a pleather. Really cute. I like the purple touches. Even the spiders. The spiders are alright. I don't like spiders. But anyways, thank you guys so much for coming. If you guys did like the video, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel out so much. I would really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to see more videos in the future like this, and click the little notification bell so you guys can be notified of all my future uploads. And thank you so much for coming. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.